This week's poem is called Bitter Survival, Snow Storm Uri. Woke up with shivers because it was a bit chilly. Through the window, a scene displayed beautifully. Adrenaline rushed. My smile expanded broadly. Quickly grabbed my coat and gloves delightedly. Stepped outside, feeling awake from the cold breeze. Several degrees below the norm, so I loudly sneeze. My gaze starts from the ground and ends at the trees. Took my camera out to capture memories. Of what, you may hesitantly ask? The crystals that fall from the sky freely. The flurries that make Christmas a time of jubilee. Varying forms of snowflakes that kids play in glee. The snow that makes winter season the best time to ski. It covers cars, plants, sidewalks, and every street. Those not working from home took time off in defeat. Those in northern states sucked their teeth. For them, this is the usual, a yearly repeat. I began telling family, "There's snow." They did not believe, so I sent a picture or video. Attempted to explain that this happened 2 years ago. Little did I, or all of Texas, know, this was the beginning of a negative blow. Residents assumed it would just be a few degrees below. Turned out to be much more though. Traffic switched from the customary slow. Trucks and cars slipping on ice made spirits low. Fear slipped right in, even for drivers deemed pro. Some families without power for 5 days in a row. Another within the same time frame, a $3,600 power bill to owe. No one had time to think about the grass to mow. Supermarkets finding ways to conserve power. Rolling blackouts to certain areas was the answer. Others standing in long lines to fill propane tanks huddled together. Homeless seeking relief in churches from the freezing temperature. Unsure if anyone from Texas would want to see the snow again though. No deliveries from Amazon, which no one bargained for, you know. Food delivery apps failed, but hotels fully booked, raking in dough. Grocery shelves empty from head to toe. Such a pretty sight transformed from friend to foe. Deaths from hypothermia changed the status quo. Deaths rise from accidents, the number of sirens grow. So much disaster from a part of nature that has a glow. VX. This past week was rough for many in different states, but definitely for Texas. Some are still without power, and for some their lives will never be the same. My heart goes out to all of those who lost someone dear to lack of heat or an accident due to ice. Hoping that those who fell on ice are not injured too badly and can get the care that they deserve. 2021 is starting off as eventful as 2020. Stay safe, and thank you for taking a few minutes to retreat lyrically, poetically, and creatively with me.